Hey guys, welcome to the channel Marzu Digital Learning and welcome to the Hindu newspaper analysis in Manipuri. Nasi November date 24 Wednesday numit ki news analyze to bahorasi. Ahan ba topic asi. New crypto bill seeks to ban private players. The union government will introduce a bill to regulate cryptocurrency and ostensibly ban all private cryptocurrencies along with 25 other pieces of legislation in the winter session of parliament that begins on November 29. Hoje cryptocurrency na cryptocurrency ko digital gi currency ama laise sigi bill anauba ma puthorane ba. So regulation or law ama laira kanda di obviously private player mayam se ban tawkhine ba adu habine aduna ekoni cryptocurrency se kaino haina han bada khangdok minarasi adugi matungda currency da mulak se ba. Regulating cryptocurrency GS paper 3 IT and computers mobilization of resources si topic ani sige mari lainai. Why in news recently the Prime Minister of India chair a meeting regarding the management of cryptocurrencies sector. Citing the unregulated nature of crypto market, he called for taking progressive and forward-looking steps. At the moment, there is no legislature that covers cryptocurrencies in India. In India, owing cryptocurrencies is still not legal. In 2020, the Supreme Court had struck down a ban on trading of cryptocurrency in India, which was imposed by the Reserve Bank of India. Prime Minister Narendra Modi na meeting the cryptocurrency gi se minister unabagi damakta law ma puthok lagani hayaba. Hojikpudi law se amphobudi leitri cryptocurrency se India da illegal ne ba hojik makta. But 2020 da cryptocurrency se trade tawba yabagi sum trade pudi khaga tawnarame adurga so hojikte mu illegal oireba. And China has declared all cryptocurrency transactions illegal, effectively imposing a complete ban, whereas El Salvador has permitted Bitcoin as legal tender. China gi hairagadi ma se completely ban neba trading sida kaimda tawba yadeba. And El Salvador haina country ama layeba makhoi gi dadi Bitcoin se use tawba se permitted oi haba. Cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a specific type of virtual currencies which is decentralized and protected by the cryptographic encryption technique. Cryptocurrency se virtual currency ne virtual currency habadi physically available budi oidaba software na sema currency amane ba cryptographic encryption magi technique se sisina protect tawraga thameba. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple si mayam sina Bitcoin gi example ne cryptocurrencies ki example ne ba. Benefit associated with cryptocurrency. Magi benefit kai no. First and cheap transaction. Cryptocurrencies are way cheaper to use to execute international transaction because the transaction don't have to handle by a series of intermediaries before they reach their destination. Transaction yam yang ba amadi yamna su cheap oiba magi mamal se yam hongba. International transaction tawba matamda intermediaries mayam ama leitre dana ko direct transaction eba mana tawise aduna marakta intermediaries mayam am se yawdrabanina fast and cheap transaction oireba. Ani subasina investment destination. There is a limited supply of cryptocurrencies partially like gold. Moreover, the last few years have seen the price of cryptocurrencies rising faster than other financial instrument. Due to this, cryptocurrency can become a preferred investment destination. Investment destination oy maram di ma se limited supply oy gold gi mong da hai phelai ba sitana tana chahi ama ani sida magi mamal se yam thuna haigatle magi mamal se mathang sum tang behengalak pa aduna atopa financial instrument ga yengnaru ba kan di mangon investment taw basin yam kanai hena mi myam na khana bado aduna atopa financial destination atopa financial instrument hai taragadi sagi sana diamond lupa mayam je sisineba. Anti-inflationary currency. Due to high demand of cryptocurrency, its prices have largely remain on a growing trajectory. In this scenario, people tend to hold more cryptocurrency than spending it. High demand laibagi maram na magi prices sum tangaga laiba aduna cryptocurrency se spending tawnadeba mi mayam je sum hold tawraga paisa laga thamnareba. This will cause a deflationary effect on currency. Association concerned with cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency की advantage amu haigre magi concern disadvantage hairagadi. Bombardment of advertisement. The crypto market is seen as the way to earn quick profit. Due to this, there is a bombardment of advertising both online and offline to lure into speculating in this market. Continuous advertise tauba. Advertise market sida magi cryptocurrency ki market sida mase thuna paisa tan ba yabagi mawong amane na utpa. Aduna mafam sida investment se pangtaw tauba. However, there are concerned that these are attempts to mislead the youth through overpromising and non-transparent advertising. Masina ikoi haurakli banaha mayam sida mislead tawbagi chance su mayam ama layeba. Counterproductive utility. Unregulated crypto markets can become avenue for money laundering and terror financing. Unregulated crypto markets na unregulated habadi ma se law amta yaudana masa gi apamada tawna bani na money laundering adi akoi black money gi karbar tawbase si amadi terror financing tawrakpagi chance yam layaba. Cryptocurrencies are extremely volatile. Bitcoin skyrocketed from USD 0.0002 to reach an all-time high of USD $65,000 between January to April 2021. In the May 2021, it plunged, and throughout June, it remained below USD 30,000. Mase volatile oeba magi mamal se ahongbada haragana zero gumba aduga atangbada haragana am tangma yaba sagi mamal leptaba pot amane volatile yam volatile oeba shape leitaba pot amane sida zero oini amu hayeng khara tangkhat kani mathangna muhong ba kaimta mangonda depend tawba magi paisa se simukne ne depend tawba ya deba. Way forward sina kaino khoi ki sarkar na paikhat pa yaba amande khoi na paikhat pa yaba pose kaino. Legislative framework. India is yet to table cryptocurrency and regulation of official digital currency bill 2021, which will lay down the regulatory framework for the launch of an official digital currency. Thus, there is a need to be expedite passing of the bill and design a regulatory framework to deal with cryptocurrencies. Global cooperation. The framework on cryptocurrencies will require global partnership and collective strategies. Luama purak padarkar tayeba cryptocurrency si regulate tawnabai damakda bill du di semaga budi India gi oina leire but pass taw dugadaba watli bill duna digital currency bill 2021 kaweba. Global partnership and strategy mayam ama framework the happa darkar tayeba. Framework asina sigumba framework the global gi kai rule no India gi na kai no ina si tanaraga phajana happa darkar tay globally chatpa yarakna bagi damakta sina chingba tawba yayeba. So Prime Minister Narendra Modi na sigi bill se handak 29 November dagi haugodoriba winter session se sidagi mana sigi matam sida bill se pass tawragani haina lauthokraba. Gyan tarni ko next topic amu yengasi. Next topic sina Enforcement Directorate ED attached asset worth rupees 144 crore assets mana attached taweba. The Enforcement Directorate has attached asset worth rupees 144.40 crore of the then director and some junior functionaries of the insurance medical scheme and other for allegedly causing a loss of 211 crore to the exchequer. On the Enforcement Directorate kainu yangasi. Enforcement Directorate is a specialized financial investigation agency under the Department of Revenue, Minister of Finance, Government of India. Enforcement Directorate se financial investigation agency amani finance ki oina mas investigation taunaba agency amani under the Department of Kanagi makhada no mana thabak tawri Department of Revenue, Ministry of Finance and Government of India gi makhada neba. Formed on 1st May 1956 as Enforcement Unit, Mase Enforcement Unit aina form taubani under Department of Economic Affairs for handling exchange control law violation under the Foreign Exchange Regulation Act 1947 Foreign Exchange Regulation Act se sige makha damana control law violation taunabagi damda exchange control law violation sigi investigate taunabagi damakta same khibaneba magi department sina under Department of Economic Affairs oirameba hojina Department of Revenue Ministry of Finance gi makhada. In 1957 the unit was renamed as Enforcement Directorate. 1957 da unit haina korambado Enforcement Directorate haina onthoreba. Enforcement Directorate enforce the following law: Foreign Exchange Management Act 1999, Prevention of Money Laundering Act 2000. For Enforcement Directorate na enforce tawriba law je kaino Foreign Exchange Management Act 1999 amana Prevention of Money Laundering Act 2000 sisineba. Next topic amu yengasi. Next topic sina law student to help prisoner with bail please appeal National Human Rights Commission na haiba kanone statement ni pilot project will inculcate professionalism among students. The National Human Rights Commission on Tuesday announced a pilot project for improving access to justice for prisoners of 16 Delhi jail by allowing law students to help them in filing bail application and appeals. National Human Rights Commission na handak pilot project ama taweba kaigino hadi pilot project sa ikogi hauji law tam khalaiba kanome student mayam je si se improve taw nambagi damakta moina 16 Delhi jails ta laiba prisoners kharabu bail gume application taw naba application thana bagi damakta moina student sing duda tawhaleba. National Human Rights Commission se kaino yengasi National Human Rights Commission NHRC Indian Polity JS Paper 2 statutory body siga mari lenai. National Human Rights Commission is an independent statutory body established on 12 October 1993 as per provision of the Protection of Human Rights Act 1993 later amended in 2006. National Human Rights Commission se independent body ne mag established sina 12 October 1993 sida established oim mas Protection of Human Rights Act 1993 gi provision amani in 2006 ta mas amended tawkhibaneba. National Human Rights Commission celebrated its silver jubilee to 25 years on October 12 2018 October 12 tamase silver jubilee celebrate tawra silver jubilee se 25 years suba matamna silver jubilee se celebrate taweba magi headquarters in New Delhi da. It is the watchdog of the human right in the country, that is the right related to life, liberty, equality and dignity of the individual granted by Indian Constitution or embodied in international conventions and enforcement by the court in India. Human right ki watchdog amane mase human right haragadi right to life, liberty, equality, dignity asina ching masineba mase Indian Constitution da yauraben Indian Constitution amadi enforcement court na enforcement tawriba right ngaktaneba. Human right haragadi karino as per United Nations definition the right are inherent to all human beings regardless of sex, race, nationality, ethnicity, language, religion or any other status. Human right haragadi United Nations gi definition matungina right haibasi human being khuding makta pigadabaneba magi jat, gender, nationality, language or atai anem awang yengdana magi right se pibi baduneba. Human rights include the right to life, liberty, freedom from slavery and torture, freedom of opinion and expression, the right to work, education and many more. Human rights se mangonda yauri se right to life, liberty, freedom, slavery, torture sidagi freedom of opinion aikoin opinion piba yaba wa madasi chumi sila lena haiba ngamba expression tawba ngamba, the right to work and education, right to thabak subagi right, education tawbagi right and many more atop right me masu leireba. These are entitled to anyone without any discrimination. Right mayam semi khuding makineba without any discrimination amta leitana. Structure of Commission. National Human Rights Commission gi structure se kari no yangasi kana yabuno magi commission sidana. National Human Rights Commission is a multi-member body which consists of a chairman and 7 other members. Out of 7 members, the 3 are ex officio members. National Human Rights Commission se multi-member body ni chairman amaga 7 member amaga yaweba. 7 members sida 3 amadi ex officio member neba. The chairman is retired Chief Justice of India or a judge of the Supreme Court. Chairman sina India gi retired India gi Chief Justice of India ma retire taukiba and natragana judge of the Supreme Court ki judge aman oibaya. They are appointed by the president on the recommendation of the 6-member committee. Mase kanane appoint tawi president khaktana taubra haibadi nateba president sida member committee 6-member committee haina committee amale aduna recommend tawra matungda president sina select tawbaneba. Asagi members sida kana yawi haidi committee member sida Prime Minister, Speaker of Lok Sabha, Deputy Chairman of Rajya Sabha, Leader of the Opposition in both Houses of Parliament, Union Home Minister, simayam siya Prime Minister sina sida head oiba. Term of removal, mabu remove to bagi na traga magi tenor se karama paubano kaya miyamano yengaseba. They hold the office for a term of 3 years or until they attain the age of 70 years, whichever is earlier. 3 years. तो मोगी tenor से 3 years नेबा and 70 years सिना मोगी चाहिदो सिधाई से माना serve तो रिबा चाहिदो tenor सिना 3 years नेबा 3 years सिदा माना 2 years सिदा मागी age तो 70 years सुरक पता रगदी 3 years tenor सिदा माना चाही अमा फाबा नत्रगा चाही अनि फरक पसिदा मागी चाही से हजिकी मेंबरसी की चाही से 70 years सुरा अब 70 years हेंदोराबा अदु इतारगदी मागी टेनर दो 3 years सु लोइद्रिङैदा मागे मासे रिमूव तौगनेबा. The president can remove them from the office under specific circumstance. President मासे रिमूव तौबंगा मे specific circumstance ता हाइबदी president ना मासे मागी थबक तो फजना सुदे नत्रगना तो complaint मैम अमा तौरगा remove तौबंगा मेबा evidence and proof की मतुंगिना. Function and power मागी function कैने inquiry into complaint and violation of human right. Inquiry तौबा violation of human right काय तौवी कमा बंगोंदा कैगुमा complaint अमा पिरक पतारगदी सुमाइना human right violation तौरे अदु inquiry तौबा and violation of human right मफम अमदा violation of human right तौरबा अदुगा मोइदा complaint पिरक तबा तारगा सुमोतो power सिजनरगा मोइना अदुगी मफम दो inquiry तौबा यायबा. Negligence in the prevention of such violation by a public servant. Violation mayam se public servant na kaiguma negligence taukiba taragadi negligence tawriba saigi public servant mayam do da mumuina inquiry tawba yaiba. Studies, treaties and international instrument and human right and make recommendation for their effective implementation to the government. Treaties mayamama studies tauba international instrument mayamama study tauba human right mayamama study tauba aduga recommend tauba Canada government ta adugi implementation do phajana taunaba gi damukta mogi law semi ba rule semi mayam duda phajana implement taunaba gi damukta spreading human right awareness sandokpa have power of civil court ki power layaba haibadi याम का है न लुदब केसिंग दी मकोइना सुम अचुम राउंड पुथोकपा यायबा मकोइगी कोर्ट अदुदा डिस्कस तौरगा सॉल्यूशन सु पुथोकपा यायबा. Is quasi judicial in nature. Recommendation to central or state government with regard to the human right violation da sigi regard ta recommendation tauba yaiba central or state government da magi limitation haragadi no investigation workforce investigation namdana tauba yadeba view as ceremonial body and view taweba maramdi masida yawriba member mayam se loinama retired oiba de chahi ayam bangakta ba aduna retired body ceremonial body haina su uyeba min uba matamda not capable of giving relief pibagi capable laiteba kaiguma case aduda victim amala ni accused amala regeneba adu victim aduna magi relief se 1 lakh tare 2 lakh tare na traga 5 lakh sumaina laiba matam chida adugi relief to moina piba ngam deba adugi relief to moina haibu budi ngamba recommend to budi yai recommendation power budi laiba haiba ngamba na ma lale magi chahi tara jail da logi matungina mana chumme magi sumaina relief review compensation review oina haibadi yaiba. Limited power on armed force method moise limited power ni and recommendatory power khakta ni mona levise no power to enforce decision enforce to bagi power su leiteba moina decision jibudi pirane ba sumaina mana chume mana lale mangon da sipiro na but court na kaigumba moida yaroi noin haisi lale haragadi अदुदा मोय कयम उपाय लेतेबा कोर्टना हाइबदुनेबा चतोइदो बट मोयना रिकमेंड तौबुदी याबा एनफोर्स डिसीजन बुदी मोयना लौबे याय बट एनफोर्स तौब ngamदेबा डिसीजन दो गेन तारनी को नेक्स्ट टॉपिक अमु यंगसी नेक्स्ट टॉपिक सिना महावीर चक्र फॉर गलवान हीरो दा गलवान दा नानमुक चाइना गा इंडियन आर्मी गा क्लास तौनबा मतमदा 20 ट्रूप्स 20 आर्मी सीखेबा अदुगी मरक्तुदा यावबा गलवान गी सीखेबा मरक्तुदा यावबा ऑफिशियल अमदा महावीर आर्मी अमदा महावीर चक्र पीगेबा अदो महावीर चक्र से गैलेंट्री अवार्ड्स ने गैलेंट्री अवार्ड से कईनो महावीर चक्र से गैलेंट्री अवार्ड्स अमनी गैलेंट्री अवार्ड से करीनो मुयेंग मिनरसी Gallantry awards are presented to the personnel in the force for bravery and valor. Gallantry awards से personnel लमदा साइगी army दे यावबा personnel force दे यावबा personnel मयाम दा force साइड से Indian army तने तेको अतोपा air force navy मयाम अमा यावबा नेबा personnel in the force for bravery and valor. मागी थौना फबगे लिंगजेन लेबा मयाम सिदा पीबा award अमनेबा Gallantry award से The gallantry awards that are conferred in India are as follows. India की gallantry awards से कई कईनो परमवीर चक्र, अशोक चक्र, महावीर चक्र, कीर्ति चक्र, वीर चक्र, शौर्य चक्र. Gallantry award के फैक्ट खरा हायरगदी the first 3 award in the category that came into existence after independence. Independence की मतुंग दलाकपा अहान बगी अहुम से परमवीर चक्र, महावीर चक्र, वीर चक्र सिनेबा. This award are conferred twice a year. Sigi award से चाही मदा अनिरक पिएबा करम कांदा Republic Day मतमदा अमु Independence Day दा. The other 3 gallantry awards were introduced in 1952. अतोप अहुम सिना अमु 1952 दा कनो तौबा introduce तौबा. अशोक चक्र क्लास 1, अशोक चक्र क्लास 2, अशोक चक्र क्लास 3. ममिंग से हानदी अशोक चक्र क्लास 1, क्लास 2, क्लास 3 ने ले रमे बट खरनी मतुंग दे अशोक चक्र, कीर्ति चक्र एंड शौर्य चक्र आइना सेमदोखिबनेबा. The gallantry awards have certain selection process. Selection process में आमा मले gallantry awards से कमाइना select और कनादा पी बनो है ना. Selection process से the basic selection process से कहीं in the case of armed force the award is initiated by the unit. The recommended personnel name are sent to the service headquarter. नसागी recommended तौब मी मयाम से सिगी मिंग से हाना headquarter दा थारनी headquarter से दगे अमु award की list से verify तौरनी verify तौर मतुंग दा chief दुना approve तौरनी अदु मतुंग दा proposal से Ministry of Defense दा था बनेबा दुमाइना. परमवीर चक्र सिना ख्वाइदगी हाईएस्ट मिलिटरी अवार्ड ने मथंग सिना महावीर चक्र, वीर चक्र माइना मथंग मथंग मागी अवार्ड से ख्वाइदगी मगुल लेबसे परमवीर चक्र नेबा. मथंग सेकेंड सिना महावीर चक्र सिनेबा. मथंग सिना वीर चक्र अदुगी मथंग 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 मनाउन लाइन लाकपनी. Thank you matang sida loi sanjarage agi video sina mayam gi knowledge ta khajitang orusu hengar halabadi agi video sibu support to bibo oina subscribe like and share to view. Thank you.